How to log out Roku account. So if you want to log out of your Roku account, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Roku. And go for the first search, which is www.roku.com. And now make sure to sign into your account. And after signing in, now if you want to log out of your account on your Roku, then what you can do is you can simply go for the upper right corner, which has this account info option. So here on the last option, we will have sign out. So if you want to sign out, then click on sign out. And that's it. That's how you sign out of your Roku account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.